Jesse
Yeah,
doing
Jesse doing
raffles.
raffles.
Who was
He just didn't
I
go
participating?
get the
paid the
car.
Jesse for doing raffles. With them glasses, she probably looking down on them glasses right here.
She got them glasses your granny look over. They be right here on your
Whoa,
nose.
look.
That's to the top.
Jesse got
Them
them
bitches.
glass. Jesse got the motherfucking
You can burn
principal
ants with
glass,
them
assistant
glasses.
principal glass.
Man, you can burn ants with them glasses.
While you hold
Oh
them
God.
motherfucking glasses up to the sun, they'll start a goddamn fire. Them bitches so big. Them bitches big as I ain't never seen them. Them bitches a rectangle. Them fucking Abraham
Little
Lincoln
thick ass.
glasses.
Her glasses this
Abraham Lincoln had
wide.
them glasses when
That
he
thick.
chopped down the cherry tree. Them glasses big.
I'm telling you.
Them,
Supposed to be some
them
shit
glasses
food.
could have
Come
had on in
on.
that picture when he was locked up.
Let me up.
Nigga, them was Ray-Bans, nigga. I was the freshest nigga in Pickaway, nigga. Every nigga on the yard was trying to buy them Ray-Bans from me.
You
The
wasn't in
They
D
arm,
they
block,
just
nigga.
the
they just
arms
didn't
on
know they was
Jesse.
You
prescription.
wasn't in the dog pound
Hey,
though, Kutty.
hey, the arms
You
on
said I
Jesse.
wasn't in the dog
Hey,
pound.
You was in A
plastic.
unit, nigga.
Nah, nigga, I was in D. I was in D unit first. When I came on the
The
yard, I was
old
in
D
D
unit or
unit.
the new one? The
The
old one or the
old D
new one?
unit. The old D
Yeah.
unit where it flood at. Where it flood at.
Where it flood at, where them big ass rats be at.
Yeah, yeah, I was in D
Hey,
unit.
bro. Hey,
I was
bro.
in there
Real.
too.
Yeah, I was in D unit,
What you
nigga.
say, KOB?
Nigga, every nigga in that motherfucker was trying to buy my motherfucking Ray-Ban. They ain't know they was prescription.
Hey, bro.
Them bitches were big.
What up? What up, KOB?
Hey, bro. Me, Joe, and Ivy trying to come over here real quick and turn y'all shit up.
What's taking y'all so long?
All right, let me go get them. Okay.
Yeah, I was in the old D unit where that shit flooded, P. That's where I was at first.
They was dragging a fuck. It's a damn shame. Look at Kutty and Scappy. My son. It's a damn shame.
Fuck them.
Boy, you just cussed out Leo. That's a lady too. Shut up.
Who the hell they talking about?
Man, did y'all see that little boy fall off that roller coaster and die?
Nah, I seen it
Where that
in the
happened at?
He was 14. Orlando, I think.
Orlando.
mm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He was
that's
on that
fucked up.
thing that goes straight up in the air and just fall down real fast. And you know it fall
Where's
down
that?
first.
He was at Disney World.
No, not Disney World, but a theme park in Orlando. And when it came down the
Damn.
first time, he fell and he landed on his face, bro, from like probably 500 to 1,000 feet in the air, face
God
first.
Damn.
damn.
14 years old.
I know his shit. Oh,
And
that's crazy.
it's him right
400.
here, little fat dude, dead, bro.
Damn.
Mm, that's fucked up.
Mm. That's some
That's
fucked up
fucked up.
ass shit, bro.
Even though his family finna get paid, but
Appreciate that
that
light,
shit,
bro.
that fuck that. That shit
Yeah, fuck
fucked
getting
up.
paid.
Right. That shit fucked up.
I would have beat up everybody in the park. I would have went
Every
straight to the
every
motherfucker that's
goddamn
doing the
fucking
crime.
body.
What?
He'd have got his ass whooped
What up,
first, the nigga
Tyler?
controlling the ride.
That's the first thing they supposed to did before they got there, sent it up, check them fucking straps.
Hell no, money ain't worth his life. That shit fucked up. Don't do me, P.
But y'all crazy.
Don't do me, P.
Thick motherfucker. What's wrong with her,
God
big
damn
girl?
it. Nothing. Catch
Hell
you on the right
no.
night, goddamn it. You going in too, goddamn it.
Thick motherfucker.
Catch you on the
Ooh.
right night, you going in too, goddamn it. Shit.
That motherfucker had a goddamn earthquake, a tornado, and all.
What's up, y'all? Look,
What up,
wait,
Pete?
KOB.
They
Before
said,
y'all turn it up, Pete, I just had to come up here and tell y'all. Y'all remind. I know y'all used to watch WWE. Remember they used to tag team. That's what the fuck you and Daryl. Y'all was like, let me get her, let me get her. That shit was fucking
Let that
funny
bitch.
as hell. That bitch. I don't know if you seen that video. Probably got already dogging her on the phone. Already. Somebody
What?
put it in the motherfucker. Like she on the phone with him on bigo live with her stupid ass embarrassing herself. He basically
He
ain't
cussing
feeling her
out.
already.
I thought,
I ain't even listen to all of it because I don't like watching her dumb ass because she's just stupid as fuck. She put all her shit on here. She got the big old yissy. You need to remix that, Skalp. She got that big old yissy. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
That bitch got that big old yissy. But y'all
And
remind
now
me
they
of a
wanna do me
WWE
smell it.
wrestling match. And you know how you been at a good ass comedy show, you just don't want the end, boy. I ain't want that shit to end. I was mad when you man, that shit was
Man,
funny as
I,
fuck.
that
Y'all
I
call
like
motherfucker
that
got a
bitch a
lot of
new
bodies.
asshole.
That's a
snapper,
lot of bodies, man. No count.
a
All
snapper,
right.
What
snapper.
up,
No, I'm
KOB?
not. Hush, 50.
Nah, you gotta play. If that's Liz, you gotta play that song. I'm walking my way downtown. You gotta play 1,000 miles for that pussy. That pussy got 1,000 miles. You gotta pay 1,000 miles for that pussy. If I could fly, damn, I ain't know she was fucking like that. Cause she said you were rubbing on her when y'all went out to eat.
you a
Yeah, she
goddamn lie.
did say that.
I ain't touched that girl. On my mama, I didn't touch that girl. She lied. That was for entertainment. I didn't
Hey,
touch her.
she had that. Hey, he was mad at fuck. She was like, he wanted me to.
I
I
know
didn't
when
That
she
nigga
was
touch that
looking.
told her
girl.
she ain't have a chance.
I know
And
On
when
just
she was
marked
everything.
that
looking.
boy,
Yeah,
my boy, so
right.
goddamn.
Hey,
She
look,
Goddamn,
definitely
I
didn't
Carl
have a
the pimp.
chance.
side, she looked like the shape of a banana from the side, nigga. Her head. Look, her and Cherry the Boom got the same head, dog.
Two kneecaps.
It's
Bitch, she
something about
spelled
that
it
bitch don't like.
B-I-C-T-A.
A motherfucking
B-I-C-T-A.
boy, that motherfucker could not spell. That motherfucker look like a worm on the end of a fishing pole. For real.
Look,
Bob. Motherfucker.
Before
That
you get
nigga
ready to
look like
throw
he
him
don't
up.
know his head lopsided. He had something happen to him. He need reconstructive face surgery or something. Ain't no
Shit,
reason
Trinity
for
B.
that one side to be all puffy combs like that.
that
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 mama,
nigga's
motherfucker
a
done got
crackhead. He look like
she
a
bit an
crackhead.
apple too hard when she was young or something.
on. Trinity B got a
I
funny
don't
looking
understand.
face too though.
You know what? It gotta be because ain't no way all these teeth on this side broke like that, bro. All his teeth on one side
Oh, he
broke,
had a
but on the
stroke.
other, he got
Yeah, he
smacked
had
Oh
a
with
yeah.
stroke
something.
though.
He did.
He had a stroke.
They might be
Yeah,
guessing.
Yeah,
Oh,
he
y'all
That's
he
fucked
telling the
normal.
up.
truth. Or y'all know he had a stroke.
Yeah.
it'll make sense.
He probably did all that goddamn screaming he be doing.
Goddamn vein be ready to pop out his goddamn head. He be
That
over
Who's
motherfucker
that?
vein, hey, that motherfucker vein be ready to goddamn pop out that
And he
motherfucker
got the
head for
mind of a
real.
72-year-old, and he only 40 something.
Oh, Trinity be on the 40?
He only in his 40s, bro.
45.
Damn,
About to
I
be
thought he was
45.
60.
He got the mind of a 70-year-old, dog.
I thought he was 60 years old, man.
Hey,
Hey,
he is the king.
that motherfucker baby popping out his head looking like Overton off of in living color. Now what is it? We are living single. That motherfucker look like Overton. They score
He look he look
motherfucker look
like the
like Overton
mom.
used to go Khadijah.
Yeah.
Like, your head up, boy. Keep your head up.
He look
That's
like
right. It's
Braxton.
gonna be.
He look like an old
I
ass
promise.
Braxton off the Jamie Foxx show.
Right. Mannerisms and all.
Boy,
Hate
I can imagine where he got caught with that dog food when he was telling the police.
I was doing it
Bitch, I was doing. I swear to God, I got it for an A-Rab. All I was doing was taking it back to her He said he wanted kibbles and bits and motherfucking apple, bitch, and that's what I
No,
did,
bitch. Let
bitch.
me tell you what he did. Let me tell you what he did, bitch. Because you can say what you want to say. What happened was, bitch.
Bitch, I told you,
I
bitch,
ain't
I
gotta tell
told
you
you I
shit,
couldn't be at
bitch.
Walmart, bitch.
I ain't gotta tell you
Bitch, I
shit,
can't go in no
bitch.
Walmart, bitch. And
I
I
ain't gotta tell you shit.
said what the fuck I
I
said,
did
bitch.
what I did what I did, and I had to do it.
My bitch, when I say my kids needed some motherfucking diaper, bitch, that's why I got that motherfucking dog food,
Bitch,
bitch.
walk a
And
mile
bitch,
in
I
my
got
boots.
some for
You do it
fucking
too.
too because because bitch, Katie needed some motherfucking Alpo dog food too, bitch.
I bet TrinaB know how to take them motherfucking the anti-theft devices off all the clothes.
Hell yeah.
All the clothes.
Look like the type of nigga that'll look right at the camera.
Hey,
He look
that
like a nigga
motherfucker
that
know
look
how to
right at
take
the
that
camera.
motherfucker goddamn pin up before the goddamn ink get on that motherfucker. That motherfucker so good.
Yeah.
Hell no.
I'm on this bitch crying, but I can see that motherfucker get caught in handcuffs. I was how long is it gonna be before we get to the jail? Because I need to call my mama, bitch.
Bitch, I need to call my mama.
Hey, what'd you say, KLP?
Bitch, I need to call. Bitch, I need to call my mama because she gonna tell me what to do.
Bitch, when I say I read motherfucking M down to a motherfucking Christian soul, bitch, I read that bitch down, bitch.
That
When I
black
said, bitch,
mustard dusted
I
bitch.
am, bitch, the granddad.
That wingless cockroach ass bitch. Make she frying shit.
Oh, boy, that motherfucker crazy. These bitches go gag, bitch, when Kaya come, bitch. Bitch, when Kaya come, bitch, these bitches go gag, bitch. Bitch, on my mama motherfucking last breath, bitch. Bitch, I'ma come in that bitch with my motherfucking, bitch, because, the letters on, bitch. Bitch, I'ma
Bitch,
kill it, bitch.
bitch, on my
the
food stamp card, bitch. We is gonna have a good party.
the
I put that
granddaughter.
on
Bitch,
my
I'm about,
food stamp part on my food
bitch,
stamp card, bitch.
bitch, when I get out my motherfucking lessons, bitch, I'ma be the motherfucking granddad, bitch. I'm a
On my
motherfucking
mama pussy,
rocket,
on my
bitch.
mama pussy, my party gonna be better than Keith Jones' party.
That's how that motherfucker be when you try. He was lying with Charlie. He about some.
I put that on my
Nah, he's
mama
like,
pussy.
You need to come to the party. Because he gonna give you your people in Atlanta you can meet them because they say they gonna motherfucking guard me, bitch, like the motherfucking Obama, bitch. When I say they gonna guard me like Obama, bitch, I swear to God they gonna.
And admit if they ain't kicking, give them. If they ain't giving, kick them out. I said what I said, bitch. I don't care if you send me a dragon, bitch. Send another one or get out.
That motherfucker TrinaB gonna get on that perform that motherfucking
He
mold
go,
up.
he gonna praise dance to my neck, my back. He gonna
That
get the
motherfucker
shout.
gonna be in that bitch.
But she say lick it now. He gonna
Mold
say
that
hey,
mold up,
hey.
mold
He
up.
gonna say hey.
Bitch, and I said what the fuck I said, bitch. Bitch, I fight my own battle, bitch. Bitch, I fight my
I am the
own battles,
grand don.
bitch.
I am the grand don, bitch. And I did it, and I did it again. We do it every
Bitch,
time we press the live button, bitch.
bitch, I'ma be on channel, bitch. If they pull up on me, bitch, I'ma be on the news, bitch. I'ma be on, I'ma, I'ma be on the news, bitch.
I'm,
It's
I'm,
gonna be
Because
it's gonna be 4 people at that goddamn party.
when I tell you it's gonna be 4 people and the tab gonna be $300. That bar.
hey, they gonna ask that motherfucker after the party the next day. They gonna ask that motherfucker how it turned out. That bitch gonna say, "Oh, bitch, I had a good time, bitch,
China, what up,
bitch,
sis?
You ain't gonna have no
4
life
people
for
in the
you.
motherfucker.
Remember that bit was on. Remember that bit fell on the floor. That bit was like this right here on the floor.
I had a good time, bitch.
Hey, when I see that motherfucker picture, that bit was laying on the floor like this.
Bitch, you just mad you won't there. Hit you with one of them shits. Bitch, you just mad you
Bitch,
didn't come. You just
bitch,
mad you won't invite us.
bitch Kaya said she want to get on the remix of My Pussy Better Than Yours, bitch. Bitch, I'm telling you, bitch, it's about to be nationwide, bitch. I swear to God, becoming. Everybody know my song, bitch.
Bitch, Kaya took a to-go plate home.
Hey, that motherfucker put P and Dale died. That bitch said, bitch, I gotta play this real shit, bitch. I don't think you better play some set it off. That bitch like, you a hater. You a hater, bitch. You a hater, bitch.
You's a hater, bitch. You's a motherfucking hater. You's a hater. You's a motherfucking hater, bitch. You ain't never seen me want to do good. You ain't never seen me want to do better than you. I'ma do better than you either way. Cause God said I was. God said I was better than you.
bitch, bitch, when they talk about me, bitch, bitch, I know, bitch. God don't play about me, bitch. Shut up, shot, bitch. Bitch, shut up, shot, bitch. Bitch, God don't play about me, bitch. You see how that page got took, bitch? Shut up,
Yo,
shot, bitch.
I appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna
Yeah.
go and check you out in the mornings. I know you be getting up moving early. I'm gonna
6
check.
4.
I'm gonna check
That
you out.
motherfucker 6'4" bouncing on their ass.
That shit
That
clean too.
motherfucker dope though. That 6'4" dope as
That shit
Yeah,
hell.
that
clean as
motherfucker
a
sits
bitch.
so
I ain't
hard,
gonna
I ain't gonna lie. Don't let
And that
goddamn
That
Brandon
campaign
get
motherfucker
pretty
Trina
as
B,
hit
hell.
though. That be
switches and
when
everything.
Brandon be gifted Trina B, that mother be like, thank you, Brandon. Hey, that motherfucker be happy. Thank you, brother. It be 99 Mason. The only one who get an exclusive gift from Toupee is Cherry. That motherfucker the only one that get a yacht. I'm killing these hoes.
This nigga thing. Insane, bro.
I'm
Thank you,
killing these
Brandon.
hoes. Thank you, brother. Bitch,
Oh
bitch,
shit.
bitch, I don't work for nobody, bitch. I do what I want to do, bitch.
I do. I'm
5 minutes
whitelisted,
later.
bitch. I'm whitelisted. I don't get banned for nothing, bitch. I can say fuck your entire family, bitch, and I will
Bitch,
never lose my page, bitch. When the last time you see me ask for VIP points, bitch?
bitch, if you bitch, tell them to come over here, bitch. I'm whitelisted, bitch. Bitch, they can repeat that report but all they want, bitch. Bitch, I ain't going nowhere, bitch, because God said I ain't going nowhere, bitch.
God touched
And
my
I
page with his.
said what the fuck I said, bitch.
God jumped from heaven and elbow dropped my page, bitch. I ain't losing it.
Bitch, Trina B, what's the name of your construction company? Bitch, don't worry about it, bitch. Greater is he, bitch. Greater is he, bitch.
Greater is he that is in me.
Bitch, all you go, bitch, just go,
Bitch.
bitch, go to the motherfucker Google, bitch, and bitch at Google, bitch, great as he, bitch, I built the motherfucking,
Where
bitch,
my
I
tea
built the
sippers?
motherfucking
Tea
house in
sippers. Tea
motherfucking
sippers.
Orlando, bitch.
Tea sippers. Send that
Girl,
shit in. Tea
go to
sippers.
Facebook and follow
Tea
me on
sippers.
Brian Williams, girl, and I'll tell you everything.
Bitch,
Hey,
bitch,
Skalp,
bitch,
we're gonna have to battle. We're gonna have to battle because we both got
we
some
got to
hits when it
battle,
comes to that
we have to
TrinaB
battle
shit.
each other.
We're gonna have
Ooh,
to battle.
bitch, I just bid it on the job, bitch, for 5 million,
That
bitch.
nigga
I'm a
stepper.
rich bitch, bitch. I'm rich,
I just
bitch.
Step, I bet you done got caught cheating by pocket dial or somebody
But
before.
one thing you ain't got, motherfucker, is this right here. You can let me tell you something about this motherfucker, right? Something about this potato. It's something about this potato. Oh, it's about this potato. It is the sweetest name. Everybody loves TrinaB.
You know what?
Everybody
Hold
loves
on.
it. Everybody
Hold
loves
on.
it. Oh, how
Well,
I
that
love
bitch,
TrinaB.
bitch, I'm telling you, I knock you
Tap your
out,
bag.
bitch. Bitch, I knock
Oh,
Tap
anybody
your
out. Bitch,
bag.
ask about yellow boy, bitch. And motherfucking Duval kind of bitch. I knock anybody out, bitch.
bitch,
And I
let me
said
tell
what
you
the
something
fuck
about you could never. Let me tell you something. You that look like a onesie, bitch. Yo, scalp match your sweater, bitch.
bitch, bitch,
You got
bitch,
on a one.
you were ugly, bitch. I'm a motherfucking cut, bitch, pastor, bitch,
Mute the
I'll
banner.
roll your ass out, motherfucking
Brandon,
night,
mute the
bitch.
banner. Brandon, mute this motherfucking banner. Brandon, mute this banner.
Bitch, bitch, tell me,
Light
bitch,
bright.
bitch,
Appreciate
don't look
that,
at
light
Tammy,
bright.
bitch. Tell me lock that motherfucker old lady in the basement, bitch. That motherfucker white lady had on handcuffs, bitch. I swear to God on my mama, I asked about it.
Bitch, I don't care what nobody say. I don't care what nobody say. Scalp got that charger because his nephew in the Illuminati. I'm through. I'm through. And God gonna deal
Bitch,
with
I'm
you.
up there crying, boy.
And God gonna get because greater is he. What profit a man to gain the
Bitch,
world and lose his soul?
bitch, I'll be back, y'all, bitch, because, bitch, I got a job to go look at, bitch. I've been here 40 minutes later. Bitch, like I said, bitch, I'm going to a job, bitch. Bitch, I got my own business, bitch, greater than he, bitch. Bitch, Google me, bitch. You will see a
Google me, bitch.
motherfucking potato up there, bitch, with sour cream, bitch. That's me, bitch. Greater is he, bitch. And I said, what the fuck I said, bitch.
That boy crazy.
Man, yeah, nigga
Stay
stupid as
tuned
hell.
for round.
Let me get my
What
motherfucking
wrong with the
bean.
TrinaB? My grandbaby did. Bitch, my grandbaby wore me out, bitch. That bitch was running that
Niggas be
motherfucking
looking at
brain
the
in the top of
goddamn
his head, right that little brain.
sky.
I just
My grandbaby just wore me out, bitch.
I just woke up. You
You gotta wipe the sleep out your eyes though.
Oh, you talking about that brain? And bitch, you ain't going to camp with me. Bitch, you ugly motherfucker. Charlie, bitch, you motherfucking bitch. You ugly motherfucker. Mold up, bitch. You bottom of the barrel, bitch. You 65 booty better ass, bitch. Bitch, I said what I motherfucker said, bitch. Bitch, you don't want to fuck with me, bitch. You stinking motherfucker.
You slippy booty bitch. You burly body milk bitch. I said what I
Eb
motherfucking
know it's
said, bitch.
entertainment only. As soon as you get on Brandon panel, Eb know that it's entertainment only. I deal with Eb.
I deal with him every
Well,
day.
that's good, but um 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 I talked to Brandon and Brandon said that ain't nobody gonna touch me. He gonna have a because he gonna have a motherfucking security guard, 7'2", bitch. 7'2", bitch. They gonna guard me, bitch. Bitch, they gonna think I'm motherfucking TrinaB
I
Elizabeth,
got
bitch.
9 brothers.
Bitch,
I
they gonna
got
think
9 brothers.
bitch, they gonna think bitch, because they gonna think that it's Barack Obama getting out of that motherfucking Plymouth, that 64 Plymouth. Bitch, they gonna think
Bitch,
I'm Barack Obama getting out that Chrysler Pacifica, bitch. Bitch, when I tell you, bitch, girl, I wish a pussy would pull up on me, bitch. I kick that bitch with my gold boot, bitch. Knock that bitch back to 19. 1999, bitch.
Bitch, when I'ma kill, bitch, I'm killing these hoes when I get out, bitch. Bitch, underground done, bitch. Bitch, when I get out, bitch, with that motherfucker, the bell bottoms on, bitch, with that motherfucking jabos, bitch, and that motherfucker got that old Navy shirt, bitch, with that blue whip, bitch, they gon' gag,
But bitch,
bitch.
I'm the Grand Don, bitch, and I did it again. I did it again. I did it
You
again.
hoes mad.
You hoes is mad.
Wait a minute.
You
I know you.
now give
You
me.
want a whole lot. Wait a minute. Hold up. What the hell?
Now give me a get out. Admin, kick him out.
Bitch, bitch, you got 1,000 sins, bitch.
There
You
you
ain't
go,
seeing me there, bitch.
Q1.
Bitch, you gotta get out, bitch. Everybody
Bitch,
need $20, bitch.
1.2.
Go in your
If
pocketbook,
bitch is
bitch.
1.2 in here, I should have $1,203,000, bitch.
Hey, what this nigga? Hey, that nigga stupid than a bitch, boy. That bitch stupid than a bitch. I just can't get when that bitch about Tammy had that white lady locked in that goddamn face.
Get KK out of here. Get KK out of here. KK don't get to come to my live, bitch. Now fuck you and your daddy, bitch.
Bitch, and I said what the fuck I said, bitch. Bitch, you ain't been up here in
Get
5
KK out
months,
of here.
bitch, and you ain't never got.
You ain't never gonna ever come back in my life, bitch. You ain't go.
Bitch,
If next time, next time KK come here and she get to make one comment, I'm taking all y'all admins, bitch.
bitch,
And I
don't
said
kick
what
my
I said.
motherfucker. Bitch, don't kick motherfucking Shoemaker, bitch. Bitch, Shoemaker, give me, bitch. Bitch, I'm taking your ad. Hold on, bitch. I'm finna take your admin, bitch.
Let me give you admin real quick, girl. Let me give you admin, Kit Kat.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Bitch, I know you better wake up.
I know you fucking lying.
I know you better wake up
Boy,
sounding like
you
you in
say you
third
want
gear.
this.
Ah, who that, Cutty?
Yeah,
Boy,
Casa
that nigga
no
sound like he got there dirt devil, boy. God damn. That nigga sound like he
That
got
boy
my
sound
phone
like
number.
a car that won't stop.
Is that a snorkel?
At this point, you farting out your nose.
Hold on, Sharon. I'm not finna
Bitch,
wake
and this
up next.
motherfucker Cutty got sleep apnea,
Sharon,
bitch.
Sharon, I'm not finna wake up next to that. God
God
damn.
damn, is that a dirt devil vacuum cleaner?
Do you got water damage in your roof?
Bitch,
Damn,
I
Black Barbie.
see Cutty sleep on Pastor
Black
motherfucking Better,
Barbie.
bitch. Bitch, he sound like a
Damn, Black
motherfucking
Barbie.
koala bear, bitch.
Come on up
Come
here,
to the
Black
light.
Barbie,
Black Barbie, you was
looking like
looking
a black smoked sausage.
different. Oh, I know you live in the hood. I can tell by your bedroom. You got chords going all out in the hallway.
Damn, I thought that was cat. That ain't cat.
Her background is sponsored by Miller Lite.
Hey, damn, is somebody
Look at
riding the
that
four?
Mustang behind her. Look at that Mustang behind her, bro.
Is somebody riding the four-wheel up here or something?
That's
Turn
a
that
good
light
one.
on. Turn it back off.
Yeah, Black Beauty. What's
Please,
up?
hey, girl, don't you ever turn that motherfucking light on.
They said that was cat.
I
Bitch,
thought
they
that
said
was
it was
cat.
cat.
Bitch. When
That
I say
motherfucker look
cat,
like a dirty tennis ball.
she look good. Look at
Man,
her.
I don't know who snowed the worst between Cuddy and Eb motherfucking dog. Which one is the worst? This bitch got up here
Oh,
dancing like she was cute and cut the light on like she was cute.
Well,
She
bitch,
in
you
that
know
bitch.
Petty
he went and
family.
picked up cat. You know he
God
Damn,
went and
she
damn,
picked up
that bitch got
ugly.
the
Eb's
roll
dog
on
Bitch,
the
today,
on.
bitch.
Bitch,
P,
you
she
look like a
in
roll
she
on.
in
Hey,
Petty
put in the big
family.
box, P.
She look
That
good.
motherfucker like a roll on deal. Look at her. Harriet Tubman, let
She
my
look a
people go. You
mess.
look like you about to go to the
She took the
Underground
fitted
She
Railroad.
sheet off the
cute.
hotel and put it around her back.
She must be some kind of cat from Facebook.
If you shake that, if you don't shake that ass that's full of ramen noodles,
That's your blanket,
I
or
don't
you
know
got
what
a whole
that
bunch of
is.
sheets? Ooh,
That
see
bitch don't
them
got no
Ooh,
yitties.
taxes.
Look, them
She got
yitties
no
going to the
motherfucking
left.
taxes.
Them yitties going
She got
everywhere.
put her she trying to get us clipped. Get your ass down,
Her
girl.
Hey,
intestines is
cat.
full
Boy.
of ramen noodles and hot flaming
Shit.
Cheetos,
That
bitch.
motherfucker look like cat.
Get her down. See, you ain't shit. Boy, you ain't shit.
What the fuck?
She's showing you what a chocolate cantaloupe look like.
God damn. Anybody just bought a motorcycle?
Damn, Kutty
Is
calling
that a
all the
monster
bears out of
truck?
hibernation.
A goddamn monster truck. God
I ain't
damn.
letting you down. You trying to sneak to that pussy, boy. You acting like you sleep. I ain't letting you down. We gonna deal with it.
You gonna have to ride this map out.
Got the cars. They got the Casamigos on the side of babysitting that motherfucker.
Damn. That motherfucker
Damn.
calling the whole
We be here when
bears,
you wake
calling
up.
the whole story.
That motherfucker sound
If
like
you ain't gonna
a
mute him.
Hey,
No,
that
no.
motherfucker sound like one of
We
them
need to know
Hondas with
where
that
he
loud
at.
pipe on the back of that bitch.
We need to know where
Is
he at.
that a Honda with a loud
And
pipe
he's
on that
sleeping through
motherfucker?
all this damn
Did this nigga just
noise.
crank up his truck?
Kutty!
Is that a motherfucking tractor?
Kutty!
That's
Wake up, Kutty.
Casamigos.
I'm on Casamigos and you ain't never heard me sound like that.
Damn. That boy sound like a human chainsaw.
I told you sound like Eb Dog. I don't know
That
which one
boy
to
sound
work.
like a broke subwoofer.
Let me find out that
Whatever
was
it
you at
sound like, it
Eb.
needs some
Let me find
WD-40.
out that was Kutty at Eb house.
Whatever it needs some WD-40.
Yeah. That motherfucker
Somebody need to
sound like
pinch
a
his nose
goddamn.
and scare him to wake him up.
That motherfucker sound like a pusher lawnmower.
He
It
got some
sound like that
firecrackers.
lawnmower won't get started.
That's
That
giving out
motherfucker
a
He
gas.
sound
got
Sound
like
like
he
a
need.
firecrackers.
That motherfucker need to change
sound
the
like a
spark
broke ass
plugs.
weed eater. It sound like a
He
Sound
need to
like
they
he
change the
can run
they
motherfucking
cut
spark
crack
pockets,
plugs
something
boy.
for
back.
real.
You can go through his pockets while he sleep.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
yes
pocket.
you
That
That's a
motherfucker,
pocket snore. That's a pocket snore.
that definitely ain't no push to start. That's definitely not a push to start. That's one with a key in it. That nigga sound like a box Chevy with a 305 in
How
it.
the hell he did not mute? I thought he was on mute the whole time.
Yeah, that's that drunk store there. Yeah, you got that yummy, yeah.
Y'all gonna let him stay up here and just snow like this?
Sophisticate. You ain't going to lay next to that loud shit.
I
Damn.
broke up with a nigga for snoring before in the past. I literally
Did he
broke up with
sound
a
like
dude
that?
when I found out he snored like just
How
like
did
that
you
right there.
how did you feel? How did you feel when you figured out that he don't snore in real life?
Oh no, he did. He really did. He did.
He knew
He
how to get rid
did.
of you without you doing that crazy shit.
Nah, shit.
That nigga
See,
snore
stop
sound like an
saying we
old rock.
crazy. All
That
light
nigga
He's
skinned
sound like he
women ain't
playing an
crazy.
instrument.
he's
I'm the
snoring
Man,
like
crazy
he
what
ate a
instrument
person
Cuddy
you can
playing
meet.
over there? That boy
hey,
Cuddy playing an instrument.
that boy snoring
That
like he
gotta
ate a
be a
peanut
good
butter sandwich with no water.
Yes, that is
yo.
Cuddy
That gotta
Queen.
be
That
a
boy
that
playing
gotta
that
be fella. Your
that
head
boy
ain't
playing
never
a
That
gonna touch
sound
snore.
like
that.
That boy playing
he
a
need a sleep
snoreophone.
apnea machine. He need a sleep apnea machine.
He need one of those strips that go over your goddamn nose right there.
He need the whole thing that go in his nostril.
What up,
Fuck that.
Boozy?
He need the one that open your shit all the way up.
What the fuck
Now I
kind of
know
gift
what it
y'all
sound
put
like
on
when the bear.
P?
I know what it sound like when the bear hibernating.
What happened?
Bitch, I almost know what he ate based off of how he snoring.
That motherfucker snoring like he ate some chicken and some spaghetti.
He's snoring like
That
he
boy
drunk
had
some
fried
taco
chicken.
vodka.
That boy had fried chicken, baked macaroni and cheese,
He's
candy
snoring like
yams.
he done drunk some taco vodka or some Burnett.
But
That's
that boy
he's
sound like he just ate some dressing.
No, he had some missy earlier in the daytime, and it just caught up with him.
He had some pussy for lunch.
all everything he had caught up with him at this point.
Ooh, woo. That
Cuddy
motherfucker ate
get
some
that pussy and
goddamn
make him sleep on the couch.
He
yes,
going to
sir.
what?
That nigga probably got one sock on. That nigga snoring with one sock on.
Y'all lying. I was gonna say tell KOB to call Ivy. They say she driving drunk the wrong way up the road.
They said I'll be over there doing some shit.
Okay. Okay,
He
I
probably
you show
called her
out.
because he got lines in his phone.